Good morning, class. Today, 14th of January 2021. Wish you a very, very happy Makar Sankranti. God bless you and you stay healthy and safe at your home. Enjoy your holidays, whatever you have. But at the same time, keep on studying. Okay. As yesterday we had start, a house is not a home chapter from your book, supplementary book that is Moments. This is chapter number 8. In the previous class, we had seen that the author, Zan Godiosu, okay, he told these says that his first year at school was not a pleasant one, isn't it? It was not a pleasant one. He felt like a very fresh man. His high school was twice bigger than the junior school. His old friends had gone to a different high school, so he felt very lonely there. Then he missed his old teachers as well. He visited them. They advised him to take part in school activities. They told them that you should have to involve in the school activities so that you can be adjusted in that new school. One Sunday afternoon, what happened? The author was sitting at home. He was doing homework. It was cold one. Fire went on the fireplace. He had his cat nearby. He had a pet cat. His mother stoked the fire. Suddenly he noticed some smoke from the roof of that house. उन्होंने देखा कि धुआं सा निकल रहा है दरवाजे से, right? Then he suddenly, when he noticed that, they came in the front yard of the house. It was spreading. His mother ran back into the house. The author ran to the neighbors to call the fire department. The author's mother then ran out of the house with some important documents. She ran back into the house again. Again she went and ran back to the house. She wanted to get some pictures and letters of her husband, right? She just wanted some letters and some pictures. So the author, Zan, he also ran after him, but the fireman caught him. The author told him that his mother was inside. The fireman seated him wrapped in a blanket in the cloud. Soon another fireman brought his mother. Okay. Then he put her in the truck with an oxygen mask over her mouth. She was otherwise all right. She had only inhaled a little more smoke. इस तरह से जैन और उसकी मदर की लाइफ इस बड़े हादसे से बची, ठीक है ना? उन दोनों को बचाया गया, लेकिन उनका घर पूरी तरह से खत्म हो चुका था, बर्बाद हो चुका था. So this much we have already completed. Now take out your book, page number 50, sorry. Page number 50. Take out page number 50. Second paragraph. We will going to read the second paragraph. Isn't it? Second paragraph we have already completed. Third one. I was about to read. I think we have already completed page number 50 explanations. Now let us proceed to page number 51. Page number 51. Third paragraph. 5 hours later. Okay. Abhiditya is requested to read the line. Read that paragraph.
Third paragraph, no?
Yeah.
5 hours later, the fire was finally out. Our house was almost completely burnt down. But then it struck me. I hadn't seen my cat. Where was my cat? Much to my horror, I realized that she was nowhere to be found. Then all at once, it hit me, the new school, the fire, my cat. I broke down in tears and cried and cried. I was suffering loss big time. The fireman wouldn't let us go back into the house that night. It was still too dangerous, dead or alive. I could not imagine living without knowing about my cat. Regardless, I had to go. We pulled into the car with just the clothes on our backs and a few of the firemen's blankets and made our way to my grandparents' house to spend the night.
Thank you so much.
The next day, Monday,
Thank you so much, Aditya. That's it. So in this paragraph, the author says that the scene, the accident which was occurred on that day, it took 5 hours to control the fire. Just imagine, student, it's 5 hours. The fire department, they just over that matter and they took 5 hours. 5 घंटे लगे उस आग को बुझाने. सोचो कितनी बुरी तरह से वो घर जला होगा. The house was totally burnt down. House was totally burnt down. Nothing left. Then Zan realized that his pet cat was missing. Immediately, he realized that where is his pet cat? अचानक उसे अपनी pet cat का ध्यान आया. वो नहीं दिखी. He could not find it. He got very sad and depressed. Thoughts like difficulties adjusting to the new school. Firstly, he was very much depressed that he had joined a new school and he is not able to adjust in that school. Same time, this accident took place. Then he lost his pet cat. Now he was totally depressed, become very sentimental. Losing his pet cat, he made him cry. उसे रोना आ गया था. इतना ज्यादा उदास हो गया था. उसे ऐसे लगा कि जीवन में उसने सब कुछ चीज खो दिया है. वो बहुत उदास हो गया था. He thought that he was suffering many losses. बहुत ज्यादा उसके साथ बहुत ज्यादा नुकसान हो, बहुत बुरा हो उसके साथ. ऐसा उसका सोचना. They were not allowed to go into the building as it could be dangerous. They are not at all allowed to go into the building. Zen wanted to know about his cat, but he had to leave. They got into the car with none of their belongings. वो कार के अंदर बैठे, उनके पास कुछ भी नहीं था. सब कुछ खत्म हो चुका था. All they had were the few blankets given by the firemen. That's it. Firemen ने उनको कुछ blankets दिए थे, वही उनके साथ था, बाकी कुछ नहीं. They spent the night at Zan's grandparents' house. They spent it. Okay. Now the next paragraph. Anurag Vyas. I request Anurag Vyas to read the next paragraph.
Next Monday.
Read loudly. Anurag Vyas, read loudly. Is there any problem there? Read it.
The next day, Monday, when the fire broke out, I was still wearing the dress I had worn to church that morning, but I had no use. I picked them off when I was doing my homework. They became yet another casualty of the fire, so I had to borrow some tennis shoes from my aunt. Why couldn't just stay home from school? My mother wouldn't hear of it, but I was totally embarrassed by everything. The clothes I was wearing looked weird. I and my backpack.
The more I tire. Okay, fine. Your voice is not audible to me. I will read it on behalf of you. The more I tried to fit in, the worse it got. Was I destined to be an outcast and a geek all of my life? That's what I felt like. I didn't want to grow up, change, or have to handle life if it was going to be this way. I just wanted to curl up and die. So that Zen went to the school the next day. Next day he has to go to the school. So he went there. It was a Monday morning. And at the time of the fire, he was wearing the dress that he wore to the church on Sunday. Okay. जो ड्रेस उसने संडे चर्च में पहनी थी वही ड्रेस उसने पहना हुआ था. He was not wearing his shoes. Shoes नहीं थे उसके पास. He had removed them and kicked them off when he set to do his homework. जो होमवर्क करने बैठा था तो उसने शूज को रिमूव कर दिया था. And they were burnt in the fire too. वो भी जल के खाक हो गए. So Zen borrowed tennis shoes from his aunt. उसने tennis shoes लिया अपने aunt से. He did not want to go to school on that day because he felt very much embarrassing. उसे बहुत खराब लग रहा था. बहुत उदास था वो, बहुत डिप्रेस था. But his mother forced him to go. And he was embarrassed because his clothes were unusual. He did not have his bag, books and homework. He did not have his bag, books and homework. उसके पास ना तो books थी, ना copies थी, ना bag था, ना shoes थे, nothing else. He thought that God wanted that he should live like a person who was different from others and did not fit well in the society. He just imagined, thought that God has given me like this. भगवान ने ऐसा हमारे साथ क्यों किया कि हमें सब कुछ चीज, हमारी जो नेसेसिटी चीज थे सब हमसे छीन ली गई. हमारा घर, हमारे कपड़े, हमारी नेसेसिटी की all items was all collapsed, damaged. कुछ भी नहीं बचा हमारे पास, कुछ भी नहीं. So Zen was so upset that he wished to die. वो इतना उदास हो गया था, इतना अपने आप को असहाय समझना था कि उसके पास मौत के अलावा कोई रास्ता नहीं दिख रहा था. उसकी इच्छा थी कि वो मर जाए, उसे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. The next paragraph. I walked around school like a zombie. Everything felt surreal, and I wasn't sure what was going to happen. All the security I had known from my old school, my friends, my house, and my cat had all been wiped out. So Zen walked around the school like a dull, lifeless person. स्कूल में जा रहा था ऐसा है कि एक डल इंसान जिसमें कोई जीवन ही नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है, सिर्फ एक शरीर है. He felt insecure on all his belongings, his old school, his old friends, his old teachers, his pet cat, and his house had been snatched from him. ऐसा लग रहा था कि उसके old school, old teachers, friends, pet, घर सब छीन लिए गए. भगवान ने उसे सब छीन लिया. Okay, now page 10, page number 52. When I walked through what used to be my house after school, that day I was shocked to see how much damage there was. Whatever hadn't burned was destroyed by the water and chemicals they had used to put out the fire. The only material things not destroyed were the photo albums, documents, and some other personal items that my mother had managed to heroically rescue. But my cat was gone, and my heart ached for her. There was no time to grieve. My mother rushed me out of the house. We would have to find a place to live, and I would have to go buy some clothes for school. So on his way back, he walked through his burned house. जब वो स्कूल से लौट रहा था, तो अपने घर की तरफ गया, and he was shocked to see the extent of the damage that had been caused by the fire and the water that had been extinguished. तो देखा कितनी बुरी तरह से घर चला. चारों तरफ पानी से फायर ब्रिगेड ने पानी से बुझाया. Only the thing that was saved were the ones that his mother had rescued. जो उसकी मदर ने बचाया था सिर्फ वही बचा था, बाकी सब कुछ चीज खत्म हो चुकी थी. सिर्फ क्या बचे थे? पेपर्स, documents, letters, and some more items. Zen had lost his pet cat too. Zen could not grieve the loss of his cat because they had to rebuild their life. तो इतना बड़ा नुकसान हुआ, उसको वापस से बनाना, शुरू करना, वो आसान काम नहीं था, बहुत मुश्किल था, बहुत ही मुश्किल. It was not possible for Zen and his mother to rebuild it again. But they had to arrange a place to live in, clothes and every necessary things. They had to arrange it because it was not other options that they should have to do it. उनके पास कोई दूसरा रास्ता नहीं. This way, students, we have learned that Zen had lost his house, his pet cat, and many more things. He felt very depressed and said that he had lost his each and everything in his life. They have to rebuild it again. फिर से बनाना था. So tomorrow we will continue with the chapter. I hope whatever we have discussed, it must be clear to you.